Wednesday Addams operates on cold intelligence and a complete absence of social warmth. While other teenagers navigate the chaos of high school, she remains perfectly still, viewing the world through a lens of biting sarcasm. When a group of bullies targets her brother, Wednesday responds with a calculated, violent retaliation that results in her immediate expulsion. Her parents intervene by sending her to Nevermore Academy, a boarding school established specifically for outcasts, monsters, and students with supernatural abilities. Wednesday has no intention of integrating into the community. She begins the semester with one goal: to survive the term in total isolation. That isolation is interrupted by a series of gruesome killings in the forest surrounding the school. The attacks occur exclusively at night, carried out by a terrifying creature that leaves local authorities and school officials without any leads. As the body count rises, the threat moves from the woods into the school itself, making Wednesday's plan for a quiet semester impossible. Because the traditional authorities are paralyzed by the chaos, Wednesday's emotionless, strictly logical approach becomes the only viable way to track the killer. The investigation takes a supernatural turn when Wednesday discovers she has psychic visions. Physical contact with objects triggers violent flashes of the past. These visions are uncontrollable, forcing her to see the hidden secrets of those around her. She begins to use these involuntary glimpses to transition from a passive student into an active, cold-blooded investigator. Her search for the truth leads her into the restricted areas of Nevermore, from the meeting rooms of secret societies to long-forgotten hidden chambers. The evidence she gathers eventually points toward ancient prophecies that link the current killings to the history of the Addams family. These psychic visions act as the primary engine for the story. They force a girl who avoids all human contact to physically connect with her environment to stop the killer. To move the case forward, Wednesday is forced to navigate interpersonal relationships, deciding which of her peers are allies and which are potential killers. Her investigation keeps circling back to her inner circle: Enid, Tyler, and Xavier. Finally, a vision reveals the monster's identity. The creature is a Hyde, a savage biological threat. However, the Hyde is merely a servant, controlled by a mastermind directing its movements from the shadows. Wednesday's logic reveals that the physical violence was driven by psychological manipulation, a hidden layer of the crime she was uniquely positioned to see. The investigation finally culminates in a violent, high-stakes final confrontation within the ancient stone courtyards of Nevermore Academy. Facing an enemy she cannot defeat alone, Wednesday must set aside her isolation, relying on the classmates she previously pushed away. By coordinating their supernatural abilities, they defeat the mastermind and stop the Hyde, ensuring the survival of the school. Wednesday survives because she learns to treat trust as a strategic necessity, using collective effort to secure the school's future. The season's success comes from its ability to balance a gothic horror atmosphere with the tropes of teen drama and dark comedy. At the center of that balance is Wednesday herself. Her deadpan delivery and cold personality provide a constant anchor against the supernatural suspense of the plot. Although the immediate threat is resolved, the finale reveals that new anonymous dangers are already watching Wednesday from the shadows. Subscribe to TV Show Decoded for more recaps, reviews, and ending explained videos. Season 1 proves that a mystery is defined by the perspective of its detective. With new threats emerging, the stage is set for a much more dangerous game in season